In the weeks and months after the Archie Creek fire, Roseburg's quick response in obtaining hundreds of thousands of seedlings and successfully salvaging burned logs can be credited for capturing value from what was lost and speeding forest recovery efforts. Can you say that reforestation goals were achieved?
We can easily quantify how many trees are up there based on our stalking surveys and everything, but it's never going to be in our eyes what it was before. I mean, all we can hope for is that we can get productive land.
Individual unit to unit, we've kind of had different successes. Some of the units were rocking and rolling and they look fantastic, and we're just, proud of those results. And we have other stands that provide additional challenges that make it even harder to grow trees.
Of course, the job's not done yet. Trees grow, but they also have to be tended, managed, and maintained, and roads kept up, and all that good stuff going forward.
Can you describe some of the challenges faced and how the Roseburg team managed and succeeded through those challenges?
There's no bigger single safety concern for me than the transportation aspect. I mean, driving is our biggest exposure in resources every single day, going to and from, as well as being in the woods. But when you have that number of literal log trucks on the road and that much work going on in a small area, that creates an extremely high hazard.
What would you say were the differentiators for Roseburg in its response to the Archie Creek fire? What will you tell your grandkids about this experience?
It's a whole team effort. Things that we've leveraged here at Roseburg is those relationships that we've gained and built over decades, and contractors coming out, helping out, and being a part of the solution, I think is another thing that sets Roseburg apart.
We didn't wait for salvage operations to cease. Really prioritized going after the youngest plantations.
We were done salvaging all of our stuff well before everybody else was. And the feeling seems like we got the most value out of what we had on the ground still before it went bad. Hats up to that team for all that hard work, preparedness.
Archie Creek, by the numbers. 671 culverts totaling 24,938 feet, or 4.7 miles, were replaced due to the impacts of the Archie Creek fire. Nearly 6 million seedlings planted. 19,000 plus acres burned. Over 1 million logs salvaged to produce roughly 400 million board feet of lumber. The results speak for themselves. Millions of seedlings planted, over 1 million logs salvaged, and miles of culverts replaced. These achievements underscore not only technical success, but the enduring pride Roseburg foresters take in their work and their land. The Archie Creek experience has reinforced that recovery is not just about replanting trees, but about investing in the future, ensuring that these forests will continue to thrive, support communities, and provide valuable resources for generations. As Roseburg looks ahead, the lessons of Archie Creek have become an integral part of its legacy. With every new tree and every restored acre, the company reaffirms its dedication to responsible forestry and its readiness to face whatever challenges the future may bring.